Acting guy ang mga yaya oh. There you have it, go!
Where are we going?
Go to the barber.
To the barber shop, cause
My hair is so long.
you look like a girl. So we have to cut our hair, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to a barber shop. Cause how about today? How I look? What?
Look like a pig.
I look like a gay? Crazy boy. Crazy boy. So we're going now to where are we going up again?
Haircut.
Yeah, we have a haircut. We will have a haircut in a where? Where do we get a haircut? Where do we go? In a barber?
Shop.
Yeah, in a barber shop. So we're going to have a haircut because our hair is so long. You look like a girl.
No, you're like
No, you look like a girl. It's already done. Look at Cup's hair. And look at my hair. So how do we look right now?
handsome.
Handsome. Again?
Handsome.
We look pogi.
Yes.
Okay. We're in the mall, Cup. We're in the mall. Because mommy is doing the...
Why is Tapuno in
We're in Gaisano Tapuno. Okay? Because mommy is here in the grocery when we have a haircut. So, okay, we'll find mommy. We'll find mommy, go?
Yes.
Okay, we'll find. Going back to the car. I leave Gabriel his Lola because my wife is still not finished doing the groceries, and I will wait here in the car because I'm tired. And now we're going to a birthday party. I think it's gonna help in Oak Ridge in Manila. So I'm already done. I'm already waiting in the car because others are still inside the house. So we're gonna go there, and we have, by the way, they have mass at around 4:30, and it's, look at that, who's that? Are you done? Are you done? You're sweating again. So we're ready. We're in the car.
Car.
Whose birthday are we going to attend?
No.
Brianna.
Yeah.
So you ready?
No.
No, you're not ready. Oh, look at your hair. Look at my hair. We are handsome. Right?
No.
Oh, we're handsome. Oh. Cup, you're sweating, Cup. I told you not to run, not to play.
Why am I?
Kiap. Worry, Kiap.
Birthday.
Ha?
Birthday.
Party, oh.
Vinyana.
Brianna.
Where? That's
buti
videoing.
taga Thailand
Let's
ako.
make our YouTuber.
Behavior po yun.
So what else?
Huwag sila, sa Thailand po, kaya
Happy
nakikon man. Dito man dito sa, as doktor dito.
Ang doktor din?
Hindi naman po eskwela sa
Apa? What? Huh?
Because Gabis wants to pee.
Yeah?
Yeah, he wants to pee. Hurry, go.
Next time this.
Because I'm very hungry.
Alright, I need to be.
Huh?
Also with that. Quiet.
What? Keep quiet. You're also hungry. So I'm the outside because it's very cold inside. So I have to go out and watch the car. It's a great party, by the way. Nice, very nice. Soft drinks, I mean Coke in cans. That's too expensive. And there's around how many guests? Around 200 guests. So that's damn expensive, right?
You should know that I've got you on my secret admirer. I've been watching.
Big guy! Acting guy! Acting guy ang mga yaya, oh! There you have it, go! And in time! My partner is ang aking yaya. And dapat ang partner is
Okay, we're done. We're going home now. Because we have the kids and they're so sleepy already. So we have to go home. I'm going to the car. Peace.